Days after the Aster first went on sale, MG Motor India has now revealed prices on the ADAS-equipped variants of the compact SUV. The Level 2 ADAS safety technology will be offered with the Sharp option or Savvy trim of the Aster, and prices start at 15,78,000 rupees, going up to 17,38,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. Compared to the standard variants, the ADAS versions are by up to 80,000 rupees more expensive. The segment-first technology brings a host of safety systems including blind spot detection, lane change assist, rear cross traffic alert and more. Bookings for the new MG Aster will officially begin on the 21st of October 2021 across dealerships and online, while deliveries will kickstart in November this year. Toyota Kirloskar Motor has launched the new Innova Krista Limited Edition version, adding more features to the popular MPV. The new limited edition arrives specifically for the festive season and will be sold as a complimentary add-on package on the mid-level GX manual and automatic variants. The Innova Krista GX range is priced from 17,18,000 rupees onwards ex-showroom and is offered with petrol and diesel engine options. The limited edition pack adds a 360-degree camera, a head-up display, tire pressure monitoring system, wireless charger, air ionizer, and door edge lighting with 16 color options. Toyota has also announced that the limited edition package will be available only till stocks last at dealerships. Škoda Auto India will host the world premiere of the upcoming Slavia compact sedan in the second half of November 2021, the company has confirmed. The new Škoda Slavia will be the brand's second launch based on the MQB A0iN platform and is scheduled to go on sale by early 2022. The new model has been spied on multiple occasions and will take on the Honda City, Hyundai Verna, Maruti Suzuki Ciaz, among other offerings in the segment. It's not clear at the moment if the new Slavia will replace or coexist with the Rapid sedan in Škoda's portfolio. The new sedan is expected to get the 1-litre and 1.5-litre TSI petrol engines and will be loaded on the feature front, making for a strong package. Prices are likely to be between 10 lakh rupees and 16 lakh rupees ex-showroom for the new Slavia. The Mahindra XUV 700 bookings have crossed the 65,000 mark in the period of 2 weeks since the order books first opened, the automaker has confirmed. Mahindra also announced that it will begin deliveries of the new XUV 700 petrol variants from the 30th of October, while deliveries of the diesel version will begin in the last week of November. Given the overwhelming demand, the automaker has partnered with a global consulting firm to devise and implement an algorithm-based process to streamline the deliveries for customers. The delivery timelines will be communicated to customers by their respective dealerships from the 27th of October onwards for both petrol and diesel variants. Meanwhile, customers can still book the XUV 700 at dealerships or online.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.